The word is classroom. C L I S S R O O M. Classroom. The word is technology. T E C H N O L O G Y. Technology. The word is adventure. I D V E N T U R E. Adventure. The word is dictionary. D I C T I O N I R Y. Dictionary. The word is April. Capital letter. I P R I L. April. The word is breakfast. B R E I K E F I S T. Breakfast.
Three, two, one, go! From the Atlantic to the Pacific shore, a giant land that you're gonna adore. The maple leaf is starting to glow. Feel the beat, let the energy flow.
And I was waiting with a big surprise. Toronto wanting good before your eyes. Montreal dancing under neon skies.
Mountains touching the clouds above. Northern lights, the sky is full of love.
The cold is gone, we're feeling the heat. Step to the rhythm, move your feet.
Canada fever
It's here to stay. Dance your cares and worries away. Canada fever, feel the lights. We're going low together through the night.
maple syrup, a taste so sweet. Playing on the ice, can't be beat.
Watch out for the beaver in the wood. Winnie the bear is feeling good. Let's ride